go to hell, man. Listening the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pitching the Frank.
What is good, loves? I am back with a new wig review. Shout out to RECOOLHAIR for sending me this dope unit. And in the package, it came with extra utensils. I love that, honey. They gave me an edge brush, a bonnet, a scarf, comb, everything, honey. I will be reviewing their natural curly glueless wig, and I actually have this wig in 20 inches and 180% density. So this is a 5x5 closure wig, and the wig did come with 3 combs. I'm just checking out the knots. I am going to bleach them. But yes, if you're curious on how to bleach knots, please check out my previous video. And now that I'm back with the knots being bleached, I'm going in with a wax stick and a hot comb, and I am just going to hot comb and straighten the hairline back before I get started with the cornrows.
Cause I write it good, and bitches can't front they men cause I write it good. I'm no wolf, wherever that I writing her. See it in the piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter and a cup till it park it. I don't fuck with pigs like assalamu alaikum. I'll put them.
So now I'm just parting out the closure in different sections. I am going to be parting the outline of the wig because I do not want the tracks to show before I get started with the cornrows. So that is really important. Please excuse the shaky hand, and I'm braiding funny actually because I got these long old nails. I can actually still braid with nails, but it's a certain way how I have to do my cornrows when I have on my nails. So yeah, don't judge me. But I'm just getting the designing together, and I'm just putting a few cornrows in that where we can have like our cute up down type of hairstyle with the cornrows in the front. I actually seen a girl on Instagram do this look on a curly fro type wig, and it was super cute. So I was really inspired to like do the look, and I think I did a hell of a good job.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the
Period, Pooh. I slayed that. This looks really good. I mean, the braids could be a little tighter up the top, but that's okay. I just went ahead and put the cornrows up in a high ponytail, and we're gonna get this girl laid on. So I'm just taking my Daily Edge lace mousse. This is what I actually use to keep the curls tamed in the wig. So yeah, I highly recommend that mousse. Right now I'm just taking a little bit of my bronzer pressed powder, and I am just getting my foundation good and ready before I place on this wig. Now I'm not going to use any glue or any adhesive spray because I want to let you guys know that this is glueless. And when it's glueless, you don't need to use glue. So to all my wig lovers that don't like messing with glue, you feel like it's just too messy, it's too much, you just want something to just slap on and go, I absolutely recommend this wig. So I'm just taking a razor, and I am just going to slowly cut off the lace, and I'm making sure I'm cutting carefully because I do want to keep the baby hairs that I left out, so I don't want to cut that out.
Of you, before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now.
So now that the lace is cut, I am just going to trim the baby hairs. I don't really need all that hair. I just want a little bit of baby hair, so I'm just trimming these down. And I am just taking a little bit of my Got To Be Glue gel, and I will be taming my edges. And I must say, I got this wig pretty fast. I think I got it in about like maybe 4 to 5 days through FedEx. So the shipping was pretty fast, so I got her right on time. I'm just getting ready to head out for a little girls' night. Me and my homegirl, we're actually gonna go out for drinks and honestly just get lit.
oh yeah, babe.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of my taming mousse on the braids so we can keep the braids looking neat and defined. And she is looking pretty good. This wig is not even glued and it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I really love this wig, and I love the lace on this wig too because the lace is kind of thin, so it's easier to blend into your scalp. So I'm just messing with the curls, just fluffing the hair up since it is kind of damp, and I just put the mousse in, basically just fluffing up the hair, just teasing the hair. And I'm just doing this for the next couple of 12 to 15 minutes, you know, just trying to get the hair big. And voila, beautiful, right? I definitely had to cop this wig because when I saw that they had a special on it, I was like, okay, yes. And I truly love how natural the lace looks. The fact that this wig is not even glued and it's just a 5x5 and it looks this natural, it looks really good. And I have many compliments on this unit. So I'm just going to be fluffing this hair and doing a 360 for you guys. That way you can see what this wig is giving. And it is given. So she is super full. Totally love the curls. The curls are absolutely defined. Y'all, look at this lace. As a matter of fact, let's play a game. Let's find the lace, because I promise you it is undetectable. So out of my honest opinion on this unit from 1 through 10, I'm giving this unit a 10. So yeah, if you're totally looking for something quick, simple, something you can just put on your head and go, just put in a little product or something, you know, something that you don't really have to glue down or worry about the hassle of using glue or any adhesive products, I totally recommend this unit. But yeah, most definitely giving realness. She's definitely giving scalp. This is just a gorgeous wig, period. And I really recommend for my wig lovers that cannot stand glue, because I know how it goes. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you can catch up on the newest videos. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.